Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About cotang s over 3, we can write into cosine s over 3 over sine of s over 3. Everything to the power of 3. Next, we can write this one like this. Let's see about cosine s over 3 square multiplied by cosine of s over 3 over sine of s over 3 to the power of 3. So we have the formula in here. Cosine of s over 3 square plus sine of s over 3 square equals to number 1. So we have cosine of s over 3 square. So we put this one go to the right. So we have 1 minus sine of s over 3 square. So I will put this one to change this one. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine of s over 3. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. We have 1 over 3 cosine of s over 3 dx. Because we don't have 1 over 3, so we need to multiply both sides by number 3. This one we change by u and we have u square. This one we change by u. Cosine of s over 3 dx we change by 3 du. This one divided by this one divided by this one. So we have u to the power of negative number 3 minus 1 over u. Next, the integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. This one we have ln of the absolute value of u. And we put about c. So this one we have negative number 2. Negative number 2. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.